Morning, guys. So since I didn't film anything, I've been trying to find Wi-Fi. McDonald's was just too slow, so I came into Safeway and just got a few groceries for food again. I'm gonna go to Taco Bell and see if their Wi-Fi is any faster. I'm trying to get the next video uploaded onto YouTube. It's taken forever, even though service is good in this city. I don't understand it, but other than that, then we're gonna head north into Oregon and hopefully get some cheaper gas and just keep going up the coast. That's the plan for today. Let's go. So shout out to Autozone. I'm gonna change my oil here in the parking lot. So I'm overdue for an oil change, so it's time. Let's do it. Well, she's drained. Plug's back on. Good to go. A little dirty under here from, this was all just fresh paint before I left. Alright, we'll see how this filter does. Nice and clean right now. Stay that way. We've made it to Oregon, and the sign has been thoroughly messed up, so it's not the best entrance to this to a state. I've had better welcome signs, that's for sure, but at least it's something. Could be worse. I just stopped at a gas station to get gas, and while I was looking to see if there was cheaper gas up ahead, a guy's just standing there looking at me, and I'm like, "Can I help you?" And he's like, "Here to pump your gas." I was like, "What?" He's like, "Yeah, in Oregon, we pump the gas, but if you want to pump it yourself, I can let you." And I was like, "Man, this is weird. First class service. Just pull up and you guys throw the gas in for me." I was like, I haven't seen that until I got to this state. So he said the entire state's gonna be like that. So I don't know if every gas station's gonna let me pump it myself, but we'll find out. I didn't get gas because it was $4.29, and I was looking on Gas Buddy, and I can get it for like $4.09 or cheaper up the road here. So there's 76 on my left here. I'm gonna pull in here and get gas. It's a lot cheaper. Paying $30 for gas is 20 times better than paying $50 or $60 for the same amount. I can't believe California is charging so much for gas right now. So this is a cool area though through here. The guy at the gas pump was hesitant to let me pump my own gas, but we started talking, of course, and he ultimately let me mess with it myself. So yeah, and he recommended me some seafood and places up ahead, and we'll see what we come across. But so far Oregon hasn't been all that bad. Everybody's pretty friendly here, except for when they're behind the wheel of a car, then they don't know what they're doing. That has become a consensus in the past 10 minutes I've been here. However, I could be wrong. Maybe they'll prove me wrong the more I go, so we shall see. But so far they've been very aggressive drivers. Looking for a bookstore so I can pick up a new book. I'm sure I just passed one somewhere back there, but we'll see if I can find another one up ahead. because I need a new book. I read both the books I've got, so time for a new one. So I pulled over here. Kind of a peaceful area. The road's kind of further that way, so I can eat lunch here and not have to worry about a bunch of people being around me. Plus, not too bad of views, of course. Oregon coast. Pretty awesome. Also, I got some actual seafood while I was it's like a mix of crab and a bunch of other stuff, and then I got some actual shrimp. So we're gonna make probably a shrimp wrap or something for lunch, and then do something pretty tasty for dinner too with the shrimp. Is the idea. Check that out, guys. Oh yeah, got some salsa too, the shrimp. This stuff's pretty good. All fresh, and they catch the stuff and pretty much put it right in the store after they catch it. And apparently Oregon's supposed to have even better than Northern California had, so I'll let you guys know. Back on the road. Look at that. Clean shaven-ish. I just use a trimmer, so I don't actually like go down to smooth like a razor would, but also wash the hair. Feel a lot better. I got a comment on one of my older YouTube videos that you're gonna see way before you'll see this, of course, but that said I was pretty clean cut to be a camper traveler, van dweller, or car camper, that's what it was. And yeah, I mean, I just like to take care of my hygiene as much as I can. I've always been like that. So when I hiked the Appalachian Trail in 2016, I didn't shower and didn't shave for a long time. Actually, I didn't shave for probably a whole year and a half. So yeah, I hate having a greasy, dry scalp or dandruff, and my facial hair, it gets all dry up in here and stuff, and I don't know, I'm just not feeling it like I was back then. So I was letting it grow a little bit, and then I decided to just go ahead and trim it today. But I had to stop by and get some oil for my trimmers at the store earlier, because my trimmers were pretty much seized up or not working correctly. So got some oil, and now they work fine. Found a bookstore up ahead of me in the next town, and we're gonna stop by and check out their books, see if I can find a new one. Pull over and show you guys these rocks sticking out. And there's these two, and then there's these over here, and then there's that one right there. But no, seriously, these are massive. This one right here in front of me. That's awesome. into Gold City, Oregon, where the bookstore's at. Now I just gotta find the bookstore. Another little town similar to the last one. Like your shirt, brah. Tool, brah. So, backed into a spot up here. Let's get back up here in a second. But we'll see if I stay here tonight or not. I was looking at the map, and it looks like there's a town up ahead. And then for me to try to really find somewhere else to stay, I would have to go on the other side of the town, which is pretty far up ahead, and it's already getting late in the day, so this is a pretty good spot. The only people I think would have an issue with me being here would be the county, I guess, whoever uses this property here for like dirt and stuff. I'm not really sure what they do with it, but there's no signs anywhere. So, and I'm just up here on the grass where tire tracks have all been. Nice sitting rock, but there is poison ivy. So I pulled my 4Runner up to there so I wouldn't be sitting in poison ivy, but it's a great view, far enough off the road where I won't have to worry about the traffic being too loud all night. I think I can hear the waves. So, not that you guys are, tired of the oceanside views and the sunsets for the past few videos. I'm sure by this point I've probably already posted a couple of videos by the time you're seeing this of sunsets and sitting off the coasts. But, oh well, what's one more, right? Tacos were good. Probably give them like a 8.2 out of 10 on the flavor and tasty scale. And then a 12 out of 10 on how messy they were to make. And yeah, probably should have just used bigger tortillas. The small ones are difficult to put everything on. But Sunset, pretty high up on the scale, but definitely I've seen better ones. It's not really the Sunset itself that was the downer. I think it was the rocks and like the actual coast here, the angle that I'm at. I've had some beautiful rock outcrops where you just look over them, and over here they're just in shadows, and I don't know, it's just different. But there's a boat that's out coming back in. I guess it probably gives tours for sunsets, because they rode out on it before the sunset, and now they're on their way back with a big old bright light on the front of it. So I'm wondering how much it costs to ride that thing out there. I think it's pretty good just watching it up here, but that's just me. After further inspection, some close-up shots with my other camera, I think that's a fishing boat, actually, not a sunset boat. And there's another one over to my right, and there's another one to the left. And I guess they hit these corridors to get the food for the restaurants, the catch of the day type stuff. And then they head back in, because someone told me that literally they get fresh fish every day and bring it to the pier. So these must be the boats. But cool. I'm calling it a night. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Until next time, life's better on the coast. Okay, well, I'm not going to be on the coast forever, so I can't really use that phrase. But how about never stop exploring, because life's dull when you become content and just stop wandering. I don't know. Good enough. We'll figure out a phrase eventually. See you guys.